Hi again, it's me, Ebony Thomas Butler, with the School of Health Professions Admissions Office at the Community College of Baltimore County. I'm here to help you with a little bit of stuff. First and foremost, I want to remind you that our last two CAS workshops, which are the CAS is the Central Application Service or the application that you're going to submit. You need some help with it. The last two are tomorrow, December 20th, 2022. I'm going to read my paper, this paper. Mhm. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. at Catonsville tomorrow morning, and then 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. at Essex. That doesn't mean you can come at 5 minutes till the end of the session and expect us to still be there because I'm leaving on time. So I recommend that you come early and on time. You do want to have already started your application. Already started. You need to have your login information, your password, and know what your question specifically is. So if you're stuck on the application itself, that's the time to do it, okay? If you haven't started the application, it's probably going to be a lot easier than you think it's going to be. If you've already submitted the application and you've got all your green checks and you've paid for it and you're sending your transcripts, there's nothing else really for you to do. So this is for those people who are stuck with questions in the application. I'm not sure what to do here. I'm not sure how to get this part done. That's for you. And again, that's tomorrow, 10 a.m. at the Catonsville campus. That's in the H-Tech, the health building, room 207. It's a computer lab right off when you get off the elevator. It's right there. And then on tomorrow evening at 5 p.m., again, that's December 20th, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. in this building, the building that I actually work in, the Carol Diane Eustace building. It's a new building on campus, so you can't miss it. Third floor, room 332. As soon as you get off of the elevator, make that right turn on the third floor, and there's a room right there, another computer lab. So I wanted to make sure you have your student ID number with you, that you have your login information for your assignment account and your password. You need your CAS ID number. You must have already created an SHP CAS account prior to the workshop, and your CAS user account login information if necessary. So that information can be found on CCBC's homepage under the events section. Feel free to log in there anytime. We'll do some more of these in the spring for the upcoming sessions. Wanted to lastly remind you that we do have some application deadlines fast approaching. It is due February 1st. Get it in, get it in. Registered nursing starting for the fall start. The current deadline is January 31st. We might do something special, so stay tuned. But I don't want you to wait. Go ahead and get your transcript submitted. If you can get your application taken care of, remember it's just an application fee of $50. You can do it. January 31st for registered nursing. The CRTI or advanced placement to paramedic, their deadline is coming up February 15th. So if you do have other suggestions or questions for us, make sure you post it below. Make sure you like us and you subscribe and you follow and all those good things so that you can get the information when you need it and how you need it. If you've got some questions, we recommend that you email us at shpseat@ccbcmd.edu or at nurnseat, that's N-U-R-N, seat at ccbcmd.edu. If you've got recommendations for another video, frequently asked questions, post them below and I'll try and get back to you. If you've got an important question though, don't post it below. I don't check it every day. So email us and you should be able to see that email pretty closely. All right, guys, have a fabulous, wonderful winter break. Relax, enjoy yourself, take the time that you need, wake up with the morning and just give your best for the day, okay? We'll see you soon. And remember to follow us. I'll talk to you later.